Alright, here we have one of the birdhouse reject pictures, or pieces of wood, not pictures. I have to add a power switch to the side here on the outside so I don't have to reach under here. But we're just gonna cut a little groove into that piece of pine right there and see what happens. Yeah, not the cleanest, but it is cheap pine, and as you can see, I have a little bit of a rabbit in there now. That's with a 1/2-inch straight bit in there. I do need to enclose this back center section here with a hole in it for a shop vac to get rid of this dust blowing back at me. But yeah, the other nice thing about this is it fits under my workbench, so I can get it out of my way when I don't need it.